Buyers' wild-eyed enthusiasm for compact luxury SUVs has put the BMW X3 on a trajectory to overtake the X5 and ultimately the 3 Series as the brand's bestseller. The model has undergone a redesign for 2018, which sees it get slightly larger. Not surprising given that the X1 is on hand, soon to be joined by the new X2. For buyers seeking something smaller, the X3 also becomes a more full-fledged member of the BMW family with its upgraded interior. And at a time when some of the brand's passenger car offerings have strayed from BMW's historically strong dynamics, the new X3 makes an encouraging showing there as well. High chassis tuning like BMWs of old, improved interior, plenty of passenger and cargo space, Lowe's imprecise variable ratio steering, goofy electronic shifter. The entry-level 4 pals next to the 6-cylinder, tighten up as before. The X3 is offered with 4 or 6 cylinders under the hood, both engines bolstered by a turbocharger. Their configuration and displacement are the same, but both engines are new to the model. Although the 30i designation suggests that BMW's 3.0-litre inline-6 is present, it actually has a 2.0-litre inline-4. The 28i was the previous 4-cylinder X3. The 6-cylinder version has been elevated to M Performance status and is now badged X3 M40i. Both models come with an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive. View photos. The new 2.0-litre sees horsepower increase from 240 to 248, while the torque peak falls slightly from 260 pounds-to-foot to 258. The B46 powerplant's output is nothing extraordinary, but the twin-scroll turbo effectively masks any signs of lag, making for precise and predictable throttle response. This engine punches above its weight in other applications. 330i, 530i, but here it feels a tad overmatched. There's nothing to criticize in the nature of its power delivery or its pairing with the 8-speed, but it's a far cry from the M40i's silken and muscular inline-6, which boasts 355 horsepower and 369 pounds-to-foot of torque. BMW's turbo